Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will be showing you how you can place your ad properly on your WordPress website so that you can get a very high click-through rate and a very high CPC. In my previous video I showed you how to install WordPress website on the subdirectory so that you can be using it to run AdSense arbitrage to support your organic traffic. So if you haven't installed WordPress on the subdirectory for AdSense arbitrage, then you may consider checking my previous video. I will link to that in the description below. As you can see here, I have my ads set up properly. Before the post title, I have two ads at this header section. Then after the post title, I have another two ads. Why I decided to place these ads like this is because advertisers bid higher for ads at the header section, and also when users visit your website, they will tend to see the ads that is displayed at this first section of the page more than the one displaying at this footer section. So whenever you are placing ad for your AdSense arbitrage, you want to make sure that you place more ad at the header section. Also in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up this sticky ad. This sticky ad can be very powerful when you are viewing this website on mobile, and you know most of your users is going to use mobile phone to visit your website. So having said that, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to create your ad unit code. So sign into your AdSense account, then come to this hamburger menu and select ads. Once you select it, it will load up this page. As you can see here, I have you have to navigate to this button called by ad unit. Right here I have two different ad unit code. I have 350 by 100 side and I have square responsive one. So right now I'm going to show you how you can create this ad unit code. So make sure you are navigated to this button called by ad unit, then look for this one called display ad and select it. Once you select it, it will load up this page. As you can see, you can create square unit code, you can create horizontal unit code and vertical unit code, but in this case we want to create square unit code, and also you want to make sure that this first one is going to be left at responsive. If you select fit there, you may need to give your ad a side. For this one we are going to leave it at responsive ad. So once you have selected responsive, the next thing you need to do is to name the ad. In my case I'm going to name it square responsive 1. So once you've given it a name, then you come to this bottom right corner and select on create. Once it's created, you have the option to copy the HTML code or the AMP code. We will be needing the HTML code, but let us go back and create the 100 by 350 ad unit code. So as you can see, this one I just created has been added here. This is called the square responsive 1. So the next one we are going to create now is the 350 by 100 ad unit code. So come back to this display and then select fix. Once you select fix, you then type in 350 by 100. This ad unit is going to be used for the sticky ad I showed you at the beginning of this video. So in my case I'm going to give it a different name because I already have something like a 350 by 100 as a name in my ad unit list. So in this case I'm going to give it a sticky ad. So after giving it a name, you need to click on create. Once you have created the necessary ad unit code, the next thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard and install the plugin that we'll be using to place this ads code. So go to your WordPress dashboard and select plugin, then add new. Find this search button right here, then type in easy adsense script, then search it. I misspelled it. Okay, look at it right here, easy adsense ad and ad inserter. So click on it and it will be installed. We are going to go ahead and activate it right now. So once you have activated it, the next thing you need to do is go to your appearance and then customize. Once the plugin was added successfully, when you come to your customization page, you will find this plugin right here. You can click on it and then go ahead and paste your AS code. So we are going to go ahead right now and copy the AS unit code that we created and paste it properly. So right now we are going to go ahead and copy the square responsive code. So to do that, just locate it from this list and then click on this get code. So once you click on get code, it will expand this page for you. Then click on copy code snippet. So once you copy this, you then navigate back to your WordPress customization page. Then come to this let me go back so that you understand. So when you click on the easy adsense code from here, it will show you this list of location that you can place the code. So go ahead and select single post and page. When you have selected single post and page, you will see something like this. Then look for below post title add, then select it and paste the code here. Paste the code for mobile here again, then click on publish. Once the changes is published successfully, you need to scroll down and find this one called after first paragraph add. Select it and paste the code also for mobile and for desktop. Then go ahead and look for this one called okay, I think we are done for this single post page. So go ahead and click on publish. Once it is published successfully, then click on this back arrow, then find this header and footer script and also paste the square responsive code here, then click on publish also. So once it has been published, the next thing for us to do is to go back and copy the sticky add code that we created. So come back again to this unit add list and look for the one you named the sticky ads, then click on get code. Then it will also load this HTML page. Then click on copy code snippets and close the page. Then go back to your WordPress and select sticky add. From here you can then add the sticky add at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. But in this case we want to add it at the bottom of the page, so click on this button to expand it and paste it here. Sorry, then paste it also for mobile. So once you have pasted them, you then click on publish. So once you have finished placing code with this plugin, we need to go back to WordPress dashboard and add another plugin called new admin. So let me close this tab, then go to the plugin section and click on add new. From the search button, we need to search new admin, then search for it. As you can see, this one that pops up like this, we need to install it and activate it. Let me activate it. So after it has been activated, you can set it up by hovering over the setting icon and selecting new admin. So once this page is loaded, you need to go back to your AdSense account, then select ads. We need to copy the square responsive code that we created the other time. So let me copy it, then go back. You need to paste it on this second, third, fourth one. After pasting it, you then scroll down to this down section and click on update option. So after pasting the code with this plugin, the last thing you need to do is to minimize your auto ads. So to do that, come back to this ads tab and navigate back to by sites. Then from here scroll down and click on this edit icon. Once you click on it, you then scroll down, you'll find this tab called add load. Click on it and make sure you reduce this progress bar. By default this should be at somewhere here, but you need to slide it back so that the number of photo ads that will be displayed on your website will be minimized. So let us now go back to the website and check how the ad will play looks like. So this is the website right here, and as you can see we have 2 ads before the okay, this is the home page. Let us go to a post detail view. Okay, this is a post detail view. As you can see we have 2 ads before the thumbnail, then after the post title we have another ad, and I think we should have another ad in between here, but the network is not strong. After a while I hope the ad is going to start displaying. So thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that by using the subscribe button below and turn on notification so that you'll be updated once I release a new video.